Back students, today we are going to learn chapter 1 integers, example 1. Write down a pair of integers whose sum, first one is what? Sum is minus 3 and B1 is the difference is minus 5. C question is the difference is 2 and D1 is the sum is 0. Okay, solution. In which two numbers are added, you get the answer minus 3. The sum means added. Okay, what are the two numbers to be added? You get the answer minus 3. Here the pair of integers. So take two numbers. Okay. Here I take only two solution in this sum, but so many answers to solve this one. Okay. So I solved two things only. Minus 1 plus minus 2. Okay. Minus 1 and plus minus 2. The two integers are negative integers. So added. Your answer is what? Add the numbers, but put the minus sign. So plus 1 plus 2, 3, but put the minus sign. And the second solution for A sum, minus 5 plus 2. Okay, minus 5 is a negative integer, 2 is a positive integer. So you add two numbers. What's your answer? Subtract the number, but put the biggest integer sign. Okay, minus 3 is your answer. And the second one is B. Difference is minus 5. Again here. What are the two numbers to be added? You get the answer is minus 5. So difference means subtracted. Okay. First number is minus 9. Subtracted. The second number is minus 4. Okay. In this way, write the first number. Here the minus sign. So multiplied. Okay. Minus 9. Here minus into minus plus 4. Okay. One negative, one positive to be added. What's your answer? Subtract the number. 9 minus 4. 5, but put the biggest integer sign. So bigger integer is 9, so put the minus sign. The second solution of B1 is minus 2 minus 3. Okay, these two numbers are negative integers. So add the number, put the minus sign before the number. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5, put the minus sign before the number. The C answer. See, questions is what? Difference is 2. Okay. What are the two numbers to be subtracted? You get the answer 2. Minus 7 minus subtracted minus 9. Okay. Write the first one minus 7. Minus into minus plus. And the second number is 9. One negative number, one positive number. So subtract the number. Okay. 9 minus 7, 2. Biggest integer here 9. So biggest integer sign is positive. So your answer also plus 2. Just I write 2. Here the answer is what? In these questions given is what? Difference is 2. So difference, you get the answer 2. Okay. First solution solved. The second solution of the C sum, 1 minus of 1. Okay. 1, write the first number 1. Minus into minus plus. And the second number also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here the second solution of C also, you get the answer 2. Okay, the last one is sum is 0. The sum is 0. Sum means added. What are the two numbers to be added? You get the answer 0. Same number to be added, but the signs are different. The signs are opposite signs to be added. You get the answer 0. So, in this way, minus 10 plus 10. Plus 10 means positive 10. So, minus 10 is a negative integer. Or negative integer and the positive of 10. To be added, you get the answer 0. In the second solution for D sum, 5 plus minus 5. Okay, 5 is a positive integer and minus 5 is a negative integer. To be added, you get the answer 0. Okay, student. Exercise 1.2, second sum, A1. Okay, first one is homework. Okay, 1.2, first sum, homework. So, second sum, A1. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. In the previous sum, pair of integers. Okay, in this condition, pair of negative integers. Okay, so negative integers to be used in this sum. Okay, solution. Let us take a pair of negative integers. Here, I to use two negative integers, minus 2 and minus 10. Okay, difference in this sum, difference. So therefore, difference equal to minus 2. Difference means subtracted. The second number is what? Minus 10. Okay, write the first number minus 2. Minus into minus plus and the second number is 10. So one negative number, 2 is a negative number, 10 is a positive number. One negative, positive. What do you do? Subtract the number 10 minus 2, 8. Put the biggest integer sign. Here the biggest integer is a 10. So put the biggest integer sign is what? A plus. So we just write 8. Here the questions, what is given? The whose difference gives 8. Here answer, our answer also 8. So in these questions, write a pair of negative integers. It is the find out. We find out that. So answer is pair of negative integers equal to minus 2 and minus 10. Okay students, second sum B1. Okay, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Okay, here using negative integer and a positive integer. Solution, let us take two integers. What are the integers in this sum? Negative integer and a positive integer. So first one is I take negative integer minus 7 and the second one positive integer 2. Okay, here whose sum? Sum means added. So two integers to be added. What's your answer? In the sum minus 5 is your answer. So minus 7 added with 2. 2 is a positive integer. Okay, one negative and one positive number. So what do you do? Subtract the number 7 minus 2, 5. Put the biggest integer sign. Here the 7 and 2, compare these two. The 7 is the biggest integer. So biggest integer sign is minus. So minus 5 is your answer. Okay. So you solved this one. So answer, in this answer what? Write here negative integer and a positive integer. So two integers are, what are the integers? Minus 7 and 2 is your answer. And the last C1, write here negative integer and a positive integer whose difference, okay, in this sum, here difference is minus 3. You get the answer minus 3, but take two integers, negative integer and positive integer. Solution, let us take two integer. Minus 2 is a negative integer and 1 is a positive integer to be used in this sum. Okay, difference. So difference equal to minus 2. Difference means subtracted and the second number is 1. 1 means plus 1. Okay. So minus 2, minus into plus, minus, the second number is 1. The two numbers, the two integers are negative integers. So add the numbers, okay, add the integers, put the negative sign. So 2 plus 1, 3, put the negative sign before the number. So you get the given answers, you got it, you get the answers minus 3. So answer, two integers, what are the two integers to be used in this sum? Minus 2 and 1, okay. In a quiz, team A score minus 40, 10 and 0 and team B scores 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Successive means next round, okay. Which team scored more, okay. And can we say that we can add integers in any order? Two questions in the sum, okay. First solution, total score of team A. We find out the total score of team A. Team A scores is what? Minus 40 plus 10 and plus 0. Okay, total means added. Added these three things. Minus 40, 10 plus 0, 10. Okay, minus 40 plus 10. One negative number, one positive number. So subtract the number. 40 minus 10, 30. And the bigger integer is 40. So biggest integer's sign is minus. So minus 30 is your team A scores. Total scores of team B. Team B scores is what? 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. Okay, total means added. So 10 plus 0, 10 plus minus 40. Here the minus 40. One positive, one negative number. So subtract the number. 40 minus 10, 30. Biggest integer 40. So biggest integer sign is minus. Here minus is the biggest integer sign. So we put the biggest integer sign minus sign before the number. We put that. Okay. And answer, two questions. Which team score more? These two teams scores is same. Okay. Team A scores also minus 30. Team B scores is also minus 30. So answer, the scores of both the teams are same. That is 30. Minus 30 is the answer of these two teams scores. The second question is, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add the integers in any order, because in addition Okay, the interchange the numbers. The order of the numbers changes. Okay, interchange the order, but the answer is same. Here the minus 40 is the first number. The team B scores of minus 40 is the third number. The 10 is the second order of for team A, but here team B the first order. Okay. Now here the last one 0 is the third order. Here the team B order of 0 is the second order. So the order is changes, but in addition the total, I mean added these three numbers. Here also three numbers, but the answer is same. Okay. Yes, we can add the integers in any order. Okay, but the answer is same. Filling the blanks to make the following statements true. Okay, first one, minus 5 plus minus 8 equal to minus 8 plus dash. Okay, in the left hand side two integers present, minus 5 plus minus 8. In the right hand side only one integer is present, minus 8. Okay, so the second integer is what? This is the question. Okay, the minus 5 is missing. So here minus 5 is your answer. What's the name of this law? Law means property. Okay, law, property are same. A plus B equal to B plus A. What's the name of this law? Commutative law of addition. Okay, the in between sign is added sign. So commutative law of addition. The second one is minus 53 plus dash equal to minus 53. In which number to be added with the minus 53? The same minus 53 is your answer. Added with the 0, you get the answer same value. Okay. So it is the, what's the name of this law? Additive identity. What's the name of the law? Additive identity. The 0 is an additive identity in this sum. Okay. The third one is 17 plus dash equal to 0. Okay, you get the 17 added with in which number to be added with the 17, you get the answer 0. The same number but the opposite signs number to be added, you get the answer 0. Okay, 17 is a positive sign and minus 17 to be added with this, you get the answer 0. This property, this is not property, it is the meaning of additive inverse. Okay, this is the additive inverse. A positive, the numbers is same, but the different signs are added. Different sign means opposite signs. Here the positive sign, here negative sign to be added, you get the answer 0. So this one is additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. The fourth one is three numbers are there. Okay, three numbers in left hand side as the same number in right hand side also. What's the number? 13 plus 12, minus 12 and dash. Okay, here the right hand side three numbers are present here. 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. Okay, first you look at this, after we move to the left hand side. 13 plus, it is a group together. Okay, this number is group together. Okay, the minus 12 plus minus 7 is group together. And the third one is 13. Okay, so which number missing here in the left hand side? Minus 7. Here A plus B plus C. Here A plus B plus C grouped. Okay, here A plus B grouped and in the right hand side B plus C grouped and C and plus C. Okay, here A plus B plus C. Here A plus B, okay, plus C. So these three variables we noted. What's the name of the law? Associative law of addition. This all things are addition. So associative property or law. Okay, the name of this sum is what? Associative law of addition. In the same fifth one, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3. Okay, 15 plus minus 3. This is the left hand side. The right hand side one number is missing. Minus 4 plus 15 plus in which number mistake here? Minus 3 is missing. So we present a minus 3. We put the minus 3 for the dash. Okay. So here LHS A plus B plus C grouped. In the RHS A plus B grouped plus C. Okay. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. So is the this sum also associative property of addition. Associative property or associative law. The same meaning. Okay. Associative law of addition. Yes, students. Today's homework exercise 1.2 first sum. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. B1 is the difference is minus 10 and C1 is sum is 0. Okay. Do your homework properly and you should maintain your classwork note neatly. Thank you.